wake up tired despite sleeping enough? Does your body feel heavy even without physical exertion? You're not alone. Many people experience persistent fatigue that isn't solved by rest alone, because the causes often go deeper than just lack of sleep. Why am I always tired? Fatigue isn't always about physical exhaustion. It can stem from: Number 1, emotional drain, stress, unresolved emotions, and mental overload weigh down your energy. Number 2, lifestyle factors, irregular sleep, dehydration, poor diet, too much caffeine, junk food, and excessive screen time drain vitality. Number 3, toxic buildup, sluggish digestion and constipation lead to a heavy, foggy feeling as toxins linger in the body. Number 4, lack of movement, sitting too much, slow circulation and energy flow. Signs you're more than just tired. Irritability over small things. Constant time pressure, even when you're not busy. Mental fog and lack of focus. Feeling emotionally drained or lonely. Natural ways to restore energy. Number 1, morning rituals. Start with 3 dates, barley porridge, or chia seeds to aid digestion. Number 2, movement matters. Just 10 to 15 minutes of exercise daily boosts circulation. Number 3, earthing and deep breathing. Walking barefoot on grass and deep breaths oxygenate your cells. Number 4, herbal support. Cinnamon clove tea helps stabilize energy levels. Number 5, mind check-ins. Ask yourself hourly, are my thoughts helping or hurting me? Shift negativity quickly. A simple night routine for better sleep. Take a short walk after dinner to aid digestion. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Sip warm water with lemon before sleeping. Fatigue isn't just about doing less, it's about living better. Small, consistent changes can reignite your energy and bring back the lightness you've been missing. Your fatigue is often your soul's way of asking for a change. Follow Healing Hearts on YouTube and Facebook for more wellness insights. Be prosperous and share happiness.